Hi, and welcome back to the Watch Report powered by Watchbox. I'm your host, Zach Rego, and today we're going to cover some recent news in the watch industry. Romain Gauthier has just released a limited edition piece that has an extremely special dial. The Prestige HMS Steel Meteorite is limited to just 10 pieces and features a dial produced from Henbury Meteorite, which is extremely rare and has amazing intersecting bands of nickel iron crystal going in all directions. The only other piece out there of this meteorite is housed in a museum in Adelaide, Australia. This 43mm watch has a flat crown on the caseback and is constructed with an off-centered hours and minutes subdial and blackened steel hands. The watch is fastened to the wrist using a black alligator strap and steel pin buckle. Now, whenever somebody asks you where your watch came from, you can truthfully say it came from outer space. It feels like every other week I am reporting a luxury watch robbery, and this week is no different. This time, the robbery took place in Kumamoto City, Japan, where 60 watches worth roughly $6.2 million were stolen from a watch dealer last Monday. The robbery took place at 5:30 a.m., and the thieves got away with a list of high-end watches, including many of the store's Rolex collection. I just cannot understand how this keeps happening to stores out there. They really should rethink their whole security strategy for protecting their inventory. Over at Watchbox, we have recently put in place a new security plan, which has been working amazingly well. After the day is over, we set up Jason Main in front of the vault with his collection of toys, and since then have not seen a single person try and rob us. Well, successfully, that is. And now for some celebrity watches as seen on Celebrity Watch Spotter. The Beckham family is at it again with their incredible watch collection, this time showcased on Romeo Beckham, David's second oldest son. Romeo was spotted wearing a black Jacob & Co. Epic X skeleton with a red rubber strap, reference ex100.21.ps.bw.a. The watch retails for roughly $20,000, which is what I assume his weekly allowance is. Imagine being a 16-year-old wearing a $20,000 Jacob & Co. watch. I can't. It is clear that the Beckhams have an incredible watch advisor helping them pick such amazing pieces, but it is a real shame that they have yet to find a good advisor to help with their hat selection. A fedora and a t-shirt. Come on. Philadelphia native rapper Meek Mill was recently spotted wearing a fully iced out Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Offshore on a Horus orange camo strap, which lists for roughly $76,000. The watch is so iced out, it has caused a bit of a cold front to move through Philadelphia, which has caused my puppy, Meek Rego, to not be able to go outside for more than 30 seconds to use the bathroom. So thanks, Meek Mill. Congratulations to last week's contest winner, Andres Gutierrez, for being the first to correctly guess the Olance HLQ07 MTE0020 that I was wearing in last week's episode. The first person to comment the correct brand and reference of the watch I am wearing this week will be getting some free watch swag sent their way. I'm Zach Rego, and this has been The Watch Report. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to click the bell for the latest updates in watch content. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.